In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your Wise account. If you've decided it's time to move on or simply streamline your online accounts, closing your Wise account can be done efficiently with just a few steps. Sit back, relax, and let me guide you through this process. To begin, open your web browser and head over to the Wise homepage. You'll need to log in with your account details, so ensure you have your credentials handy. Once you're on the main page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't visited in a while. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll find your profile. Just click on it. Opening this menu is essential as it will lead you to the next steps in finalizing your account closure. Once you've clicked on your profile, scroll down the list of options. You're looking for the section labeled Actions and Agreements. This section encompasses various account settings and is where we'll find the option to initiate the account closure process. After locating Actions and Agreements, continue by clicking on Close Account. This action is crucial as it signals your desire to begin the closure process. At this point, Wise will likely prompt you for confirmation to ensure this is the action you wish to take. It's a good idea to double check that you've dealt with any pending transactions and resolved any issues associated with your account prior to closing it. Once you click on Close Account, you'll be directed to the account closure interface. Look for the option that says Start Account Closure, and follow that up by selecting Continue with Account Closure. This will guide you through any final steps Wise may require, which usually involves confirmation of your identity and acknowledgement that you understand the closing conditions. A quick tip as you go through these steps: if at any point you're unsure or reconsidering, remember that Wise provides help articles and customer support to assist users through complex processes. This service is especially helpful if you encounter any snags along the way. And that's it. Once you've completed these steps, your Wise account will be closed. Whether you're going all digital, moving to a different service, or just tidying up, knowing how to complete this process efficiently is incredibly valuable. Feel free to leave a comment if you found this helpful, or if you have any lingering questions. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.